Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, or welcome to the channel if you're new, and welcome to this daily update on Solana. Wanted to do a full update over the course of yesterday with the bearish pressure we had. We actually hit our main support level right here between 158 and 164, the main support level we've been talking about for the last couple of days, and that we would say, or that we said we would drop into. Hit that, had a nice liquidation spike yesterday. As you can see, we spiked down to the 50 EMA on the daily time frame and to the 0.5 fib, and just in general a very strong level, right? A retest of a very strong key level, as you can also see historically. However, so far we have not been able to find that much support from that. And you can also see on the 12-hour time frame we broke down below the upper parts of the trend band, all right? So the 28 EMA, the 50 EMA, and we're also retesting that. And just in general, that is still the situation for Solana, all right? In short, I would say the situation is that we are at a very strong support level, but there's no evidence yet of that support holding, and there's in general a de-risking movement, all right? And that is particularly different from what Bitcoin is doing, where we actually did see some new position open over the course of this morning. But if you look at Solana, you can see that since the 19th of October, since we broke out right here and turned relatively bullish, a lot of leverage has been opened, and we are still in the process of getting rid of all of that open interest, getting rid of all of that leverage, which is not necessarily bearish, but that is still the situation, all right? So volume is also still down, open interest is down, and then what I like to look at quite a bit as well is Solana or Sol BTC, so basically the relative performance of Solana against Bitcoin, and that is also still looking bearish in my eyes, all right? So for me, I thought about opening a long on Solana actually this morning. I was looking at some setups because I actually did, like in general, this support level right here at 158, purely technically, that would be a buy if it wasn't for the timing right now with the elections coming up. So normally I would have bought that level, especially with such a liquidation spike as we had right there. For now, I haven't done that. All right, what I need to see at least is some new momentum kick in, and I don't expect that to happen. All right, with the elections coming up, and in general, with what we're seeing right now, I don't expect Solana to really get any new bidding. And like I said, that there's absolutely no evidence of that right now, even though fundamentally, and I've said this quite often, fundamentally, I actually do think that Solana deserves some more bullish momentum. But it's just the political situation right now that's preventing it. Fundamentals are also down a bit. If you look at the DEX trading volumes, TVL slowly but surely dropping down a bit. Still very high, so still bullish overall. But it is something you should know. So for now, short term, looking at Solana, I would say that this will continue. All right. Now, I am going to make a little bit of a statement here, and I do think that ahead of the elections, this level right here between 160 and 152, where we have the 200 EMA and the 0.618 fib, I do think that level will hold. All right. So do I expect a major crash? No, I just expect a continuation of the de-risking we're seeing right now, as you can see down here, into a strong support level. But I don't think we will have that much selling pressure that we will drop down below a support like this. All right, so for now, what I would expect is something like this, and then a consolidation. And then based on the election results, which we'll still talk about a little bit more tomorrow, I think, we can either reclaim 165, which would be a reason to go all the way up to the 180s again, all right? So reclaim 165, super bullish. Or we will just drop back all the way down to the bottom of the range right here at 125. That just depends on the election result in my eyes, and just the subsequent movements of the capital markets. So we'll talk about that. I'll keep you updated on that. Short term, like I said, I would say this to kind of erase this. This is most likely, all right? And I'll be back. For now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.